BL-C1 Car Wireless Adapter. Connection and installation video. Connect the LB-LINK BL-C1 CarPlay device to the USB port of your car's infotainment system. When the Bluetooth name appears on the infotainment system screen, you can connect your phone to the BL-C1 CarPlay adapter. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth, find this Bluetooth name, and pair with it. Match and connect to the Bluetooth name shown on the car's infotainment screen. Bluetooth connection process. Follow the video guide. A flashing green indicator light means it is in the process of connecting. A steady green indicator light means the connection has been established. Return to the infotainment system home screen to verify the connection status. Disconnection options. Unplug BL-C1 directly or disconnect phone Bluetooth. Auto recognition and reconnection for next use. To connect to another phone, clear the current Bluetooth connection record first. iPhone connection, green flashing green. Android connection, blue flashing blue. That's the end of this video. If you still don't know how to use it, please contact our official tech support.